Hello, second graders. Today you are going to be putting some words in ABC order. You have a little packet that looks like this, and there are actually 2 and 3 sheets that are all stapled together. You need to take off the very back one. The back one has all of the words that you're going to be looking at. So take that one out so you can look at it. Okay? All right, then we're going to put them in ABC order. And as you can see, there are 16 words that we're looking at. That's all 16 of them right here. And let's look at those words. So when we do ABC order, you start with the first letter of the alphabet and you're looking only at the first letter of the word, okay? So look at the first letter of all the words. Do you see any that start with the letter A? I don't see any that start with A. Okay, so then you go to the next letter of the alphabet, and that's B. Do you see any that start with a B? No. Okay, how about C? Better circle them because I see 2 of them that start with the letter C. Okay, now when we have 2 that start with the letter C, we have to move to the second letter. So now we're not looking at C anymore. Now we're looking at the H from chili, and we're looking at the O in cocoa. And we have to start back at the beginning of the alphabet. Is the second letter an A? No. B? No. C? No. D? E? F? G? H? Oh, chili has an H. So that is going to be your first word on your first line. You're going to write chili down there. And then that means the other word that starts with a C is going to be your second word. So you have your number 1 and your number 2. Now you're going to go to your next letter in your alphabet looking at those first letters again. Now we're back at the first letter. So we did the C's. D. E. I think you found your number 3 word. It starts with an E. Okay, now we're going to do F. Oh, I see 2 of them. And you go to the second letter, and the second letter is the same. So now you have to go to the third letter of those words. One of them is an E, and one of them is an O. Now, instead of going A, B, C, look up at the alphabet on either end of the room and look, which one comes first? Does E come first or does O come first? And whichever one comes first, that's your number 4 word. And the other one that starts with an F will be your number 5 word. Okay, so I got you all the way through letter F there, and now you're going to finish the rest of those. Then, when you get done with that, all 16 words, you have this little crossword puzzle that looks like this. And I have all of the words down here in the word bank. So if you look, number 1 is this one right here, has a number 1 right by it, right there. And you know what that thing is. It's a sweater. And you're going to put that in the number 1 boxes. Now, the number 1 boxes go down. So you don't have to look at 1 across or 1 down. The numbers either go one way or the other on this one. You don't have 2 of them that go the same way. Okay? I will just make sure you know what all of these little pictures are. This guy is a penguin. That thing is a skate. Hey, there's a snowman. Oh, we have a snowflake. We have mittens. We have Coco. We have a thermometer, a hat, a fireplace, a shovel, a sled, a sweater. I think you have them all. Okay. You get to go. Have fun.